Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of area of composite figures. This is standard 7.9C in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 52 off the 2016 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have this strange advertising banner, and we've got two congruent trapezoids. So that's going to be right here. These are right trapezoids. They don't only have one slanted line. And then we get two congruent right triangles. Now this congruent really helps us because that means if I find the area of one trapezoid, I know the area of both, and same with these right triangles. So these are all right angles right here. All right, so what is the best estimate of the area of the banner in square meters? Now, let me show you a small way or a short way to do this, and then we'll look at the bigger way or the longer, more complex way to do it. And this is a big triangle. Like, this whole thing is a big triangle. So I'm just going to kind of outline this right here. So even though we've got the trapezoids and we've got the triangles, guys, we have a big triangle sitting in front of us. So we know how to find the area of a triangle, right? The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Well, do we know these things? Well, let's see. I know that this is 1 3/4, which means this right here has got to be 1 3/4. This is 1 meter, so that means this right here has got to be 1 meter. So let's just add that up. My whole numbers, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got 3/4 and 3/4, that's 6/4. So that's 4 and 3/2, right? So 3/2 is really just 1 1/2. 4 plus 1 1/2, so that's 5 1/2. Or 5.5. So that's quite a bit of work there, but this whole thing, I'm just going to put a decimal there, 5.5, 5 1/2. 5 1/2 or 5.5. And that's the height. So we just need to multiply 1/2 times our 5.5 times our 2. Well, let's just do, check this out, guys. 1/2 times 2. So 1/2 times 2 equals 1. Half of 2 is 1. So this is 5.5 times 1. So it's 5.5. which we're estimating. So that's going to round up to our 6. Now, how can we do this a little bit longer? Well, we can find the area of each of these triangles, right? So it's 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 times my base, 1 3/4, times my height. Here's my height. Now, are we really wanting to do this equation right here? 1/2 times 1 3/4 times 1 1/4. So that goes here, and that goes here. So we have to double that. Now, the area of a trapezoid is a little bit trickier. Check this out. The area of a trapezoid is 1/2 base sub 1 plus base sub 2 plus your height. So now we got to do 1/2. My first base, right, would be the 1 1/4. Plus second base is 2. Your height is, since we're kind of flipping it on its side right here, it's this 1 times 1, which is just really nothing. So now we'd have to do this, and then we have to add both of those up. So we could, but that's a lot of work, and just view the whole thing as one big triangle, and you got your answer there, 5.5, or which rounds to our F, 6.